Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Variation Shipping. In its project description, you work for a company that cell phones accessories. The company has distributor center in 3 states. You want to analyze shipping data for 1 week in April to determine if shipping time are too long. You will perform other analysis and insert a map. Finally, you will prepare a partial loan amortization table for new delivery van. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Start Excel, download and open file name Exp22 Excel Chapter 7 Cumulative Assessment Variation Shipping. I have already opened this file. That's our Cumulative Assessment Variation Shipping file. We will move to our second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Pearson course, Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, or Canvas course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video or at the end of the video to get directly into inbox of my WhatsApp. We will move to our second step. The week worksheet contains data for the week of August 5. So we will go to the week worksheet. That is our week worksheet. In the cell D7, insert appropriate date function to calculate the number of days between the date arrived and date order. So we will put in the D7, we will go in the D7, we will put here days function is equal to days, which is the start date. Start date is the date arrived and date order. Start date is the date order, while start date is the date arrived C7, which is C7, and which is the start date ordered as a A7, and close our brackets. That's our results. And what he is saying, copy the function to the range D8 to D35. We need to copy this up to D35. That's our first step. We will move to our third step. Third step is you want to display the weekday of the arrival dates. In the cell E7, insert a weekday function to identify the integer representing the weekday in the date arrived. Copy the function to the range E8 to E35. So we will put in the E7 we will put weekday function. Weekday function for the date arrived. We will select date arrived and close our brackets and press enter. So we have got our date arrived day. Copy the function to the cell range E8 to E35. So we will copy this one to up to E35. In this way we have got the arrival date. So that's our third step. Our fourth step is you need to format the weekday function with the custom number format. Select the range E7 to E35. I have already selected E7 to E35. And custom number format and apply center horizontal alignment. So we will press Ctrl plus 1 and go to the custom, and here in the journal we will change it as a pressing 4 times D and press OK. So we have got our date arrival day. We have got our arrival day. So we will copy this. We will select these all, and what he say, apply center horizontal alignment. So we will apply center horizontal alignment to this. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is Next, you want to display the city name in the corresponding with the city airport codes. In the cell G7, insert a switch function. So we will go to the cell G7. That is our cell G7. We need to put a switch function here. To evaluate the airport code in the cell E7, include mixed cell references to the city names in the range G2 to G34. So we need to see G2 to here we have got the G2 to G34. Use the value argument AUS for Austin, DFW for Dallas Fort Worth, and AIH for Houston. So we will put as a switch function here is equal to switch. We need to switch the value of the which one? Cell F7. That is our cell F7. And we will put now the value 1 as Austin. In the inverted commas, we will copy this and paste here Austin in the inverted commas, and the switch value must be the Austin in the cell G2. So we will make it a absolute references. So when we will go downside, this will not change. We will go for the second value. What is the second value? DFW. We will copy this and paste this one as a DWF, and what value we need to got last Fort Worth, and make this one absolute reference. Then we will move further. What is AEH for Houston? We'll copy this, put it in the inverted commas, and which one do we select? The cell G4, and make this one as a absolute cell reference, and close our bracket and press enter. So we have got our results here. And what he is saying, copy the function to the range G8 to G35. So we need to copy this up to G35. You see, you can check one by one. AIH for Houston, AUS for Austin, DFW for the last Fort Worth. That's our fifth step. Our sixth step is, now you want to display the standard shipping cost by city. In cell I7, insert the ifs function to identify the shipping cost based on the airport code and the applicable shipping cost in the range H2 to H4. Enter the airport codes in the sequence AUS, DFW, and IAH. So we will go to the cell I7. That is our cell I7. We will put ifs function and start our bracket. What is the logical test? If G7, we need to go, we will move upside. We will put in the cell I7 is equal to ifs, start our bracket, G7 is equal to G2, make it a absolute reference. What should be the result? Result must be H2. This one also make this one absolute reference. And what he is asking, if G7 G7 is equal to G3, make it absolute, then the result will be H3. And if G7 is equal to G4, make it absolute, then the result will be H4, make this one also absolute cell. So that's our formula. We need to close the bracket now. Now we have H4, make it absolute. Now close the bracket and press enter. So you see we have got our results for Austin. Shipping cost will be 24. So, and what he is saying, copy the function to the range I8 to I35. So we need to copy this up to range I35. That's our formula. You check for Houston, it's $30. For the last four, it's $20. For Austin, it's $24. So that's our formula is correct. That's our sixth step. We have total 24 steps in this assignment. I have performed six steps in this video. If you want to know about the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or if you want to deal for your complete course, you can contact me through scanning my WhatsApp barcode, which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. And if you like my videos, please subscribe my channel to get new video updates. Thank you.